Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the default language, currency and region on the Expedia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then you should tap on the profile button down below. Then scroll down to the profile section and here you can find the language, which is now set to English, but you can search from other options here. All you have to do is tapping on the new language into that circle, and when the checkmark icon appears in it, you can tap on the save button down below and then the language of the application will be updated automatically. As you go back to this section, you can select the currency, which is set according to the selected country and region that you can set here. So tap on the relevant one and click on the save button. As you can see, changing the country will sign you out of your Expedia account. So if you want to do so, tap on the continue button and then it will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.